People now prefer food with low carbs and fat to escape the few extra kgs. Let's take a look at what you can eat if you want both taste and health. All these foods are low in carbs and you will not put on weight by eating these. 1. Onions. You must be surprised to see this name on the list, but you must know that onions have only 9% carbs in them. Apart from it, onions are also high in fiber. Onion work in many ways, as an antioxidant, improves flavor and has various anti-inflammatory compounds. Try to add in most meals. 2. Seafood. Rich in taste, low in carbs, seafood is the perfect combination of taste and health. Seafood is also high in iodine, B12, and omega-3 acids. The nutritional value of fish is world famous. Fish is also recommended by doctors for people with eye problems. You can also consume them grilled. 3. Chicken. You can add chicken to your diet, rest assured of its being low in carbs. Thighs and wings are a better option. All the meats, especially chicken, is high in nutrients and proteins. In order to get its proper nutrition, you should have meat once a week. 4. Tomatoes. Though counted as vegetables, tomatoes are actually fruits with only 4% carbs. In a big tomato, you will only find 7 grams of carbs. They are also high in potassium and vitamin C and are great for summer. 5. Olives. Olives only have 6%, that is 2 grams per ounces of carbs. It is high in iron and copper and also provides vitamin E to your body. Other low-carb foods you can adjust to your diet are full-fat yogurt, carrots, boiled eggs, but not more than 2. Include various veggies in your omelette at breakfast to make it healthy and low-carb. In fruits, you can have apples, oranges, strawberries, pears. If you are interested in eating dairy products, then you can have cheese buttercream. Eggs are low in carbs and are a source of omega-3, so you can eat it daily. You can have all kinds of meat, chicken, pork, lamb, etc. Most of the vegetables are low in carbs with lots of benefits: cabbage, broccoli, carrot, spinach, ladyfinger, but don't eat potatoes. It does more harm than good to your body. If you want to help you choose your list without deprivation, look in the description box. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to receive our news.